Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight into settings so you can act fast. Open Apps, show System Apps, then sort by install date to spot recent additions. Once done, tap an app that looks unfamiliar and revoke notifications and draw over other apps or overlay permissions. These let pop-ups appear on top. Make sure to temporarily disable browser notifications too. This stops ad push alerts. These steps remove the immediate permissions that power intrusive pop-ups and prepare you for deeper cleanup. Next, you tackle the sources. Open Samsung Internet and Chrome, go to Settings, right arrow Site Settings, and ensure pop-ups and redirects are blocked. Then uninstall any apps you flagged earlier. If uninstall isn't possible, disable and revoke all permissions. Once done, run Google Play Protect to scan for malware and clear each browser's cache and site data to remove stored scripts. These detailed actions stop both web-based pop-ups and app-driven overlays, reducing reoccurrence and improving device behavior. To finish, install a trusted ad-blocking browser or extension and make sure Samsung Internet's secret mode or extensions are configured. If problems persist, reset app preferences to restore defaults or consider a light factory reset after backing up data. If you still see pop-ups, reboot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. Remove any app that doesn't appear in safe mode. One tip: if ads return after reinstalling an app, avoid that app and contact the developer. Often a rogue update reintroduces adware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.